Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm just gonna do a simple review of this cable. It's a quarter jack, so it is a YTRS to a dual quarter jack TS splitter cable. Now, this cable can be used in different applications. Once you're somebody who actually does music or live streaming, it's a very necessity for persons who actually operate a PA system, for example. So again, it is a Y cable. Of course, this is another Temu product review. So as you can see in terms of material, really like the material, really sturdy material, so it is not rubber. I realize that those that are rubber, they have a tendency of breaking easily. And this material is some form of fabric, right? Really love the cables with this type of material. As you can see, this tip here, so as you can see, so this is the TRS section of in terms of the tip, and these two are known as the TS. For me, what I use these for, I actually use them, let's say, for example, I'm using one of the Behringer Sonic exciter. This cable is needed, so as I said, for those persons who actually operate a sound system, this is a must. And of course, they are on Temu, so really great product quality. The housing, they said that it is aluminum housing, and oxygen, and it is oxygen free copper core. So that seems to mean that this section you will not experience them being rust. And of course, once they are rust, then that basically will affect its functionality. So in terms of different setting, you can use it on your PC, of course. That's a PC sound card, also can be used for multimedia speakers, home system, in terms of your stereo home. It's I think this one is actually 3 feet in length, so 3 feet in length. This one that I would have purchased. As I said, would have got it on Temu, and definitely this is a Temu review. I've been using it for 3 months now, so I think this is the third one that I'm purchasing. So I really like the quality. So once again, guys, for those persons who are new to the YouTube channel, of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course, share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Family Tech is out of here.